Hey there, explorers of the science world. Picture this, a time when summers weren't just about ice creams and pool parties, but also a terrifying enemy, polio. But fear not, for today's story has a heroic ending. We're embarking on an adventure to witness the discovery of the polio vaccine. Strap in, because this tale is a breathtaking ride through the landscape of medical history. Welcome to the Health Literacy Channel. Please don't forget to subscribe for more educational content every week. Our story begins in the first half of the 20th century. Polio was the uninvited summer guest nobody wanted. Highly contagious and often leading to paralysis, it was the unseen monster under the bed, striking fear in the hearts of millions. Enter our knight in a lab coat, Dr. Jonas Salk. A man who would wage a war against this formidable foe. Salk was a medical researcher and virologist at the University of Pittsburgh and had one goal in mind: to create a vaccine and evict polio for good. Working tirelessly in his lab, Salk developed a unique strategy. Instead of using a live, weakened virus, as was common practice, he chose to kill the virus but keep it intact enough for the immune system to recognize it and launch an attack. Salk's approach was revolutionary, but it was also a shot in the dark. By 1952, Salk was ready to test his killed virus vaccine. The first volunteers? None other than Salk, his wife, and their children. Talk about having faith in your work. Fortunately, the results were promising, showing that the vaccine was safe and effective. Next up, one of the largest clinical trials in history. In 1954, nearly 2 million American children, called the Polio Pioneers, rolled up their sleeves to test Salk's vaccine. The stakes were high, and the world watched with bated breath. A year later, the results were in. On April 12, 1955, it was announced that the Salk vaccine was safe and over 90% effective against polio. It was nothing short of a miracle. Salk was hailed as a hero, and rightfully so. But our story doesn't end here. Around the same time, another brilliant scientist, Sabin, was also on the quest for a polio vaccine. Sabin believed in the traditional approach, a live but weakened virus, and developed an oral vaccine. By the early 1960s, Sabin's oral polio vaccine was also showing promising results. Not needing a needle and providing longer-term protection, it became the preferred choice in many parts of the world. Thanks to the relentless efforts of Salk, Sabin, and countless other unsung heroes, polio went from being one of the most feared diseases to a preventable one. Today, we are on the brink of eradicating polio worldwide. The discovery of the polio vaccines is a testament to human resilience and scientific perseverance. It's a reminder of how far we've come and how much further we can go in our fight against diseases. So, here's to curiosity, tenacity, and the power of science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the annals of scientific history. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.